Camera is going. Reaping off the hunter. Bird. The prey. Reaping off the hunter. Bird. The prey. I'm on him. Shoot when you're ready. I hope I'm on him. He's on that overhanging branch, isn't he? Okay, I got him. Got him. He's like, oh. Hit it, please, reaping off. Got him! Got him! Smoked it! Smoked it! Skin first, skin first! Man, that might be the biggest dove I've ever seen in my life. Skin first before you touch that bird. Give me some skin. Skin, nigger! Don't leave us hanging. That's a big one, but it's still flopping, man.
Oh my God. Where'd my shot go? Oh.
What'd you pepper him at, bud? Winged him. Right to the wing, man. Nice shot.
Wing.
That's when it looks like. Look. Is that an entry hole? That's an entry hole. You winged him.
Probably got him right now. Went right through the heart, it looked like.
Got lungs, probably.
Lungs.
Wait, no, that's heart. And that is a good one to get on.
Hell of a dove on camera.
Yeah, it is.
That's good. You can actually like the camera.